I am Pankti Joshi, and I am a homemaker. Today we are here at Sharda Hospital to introduce ourselves to the social media and upgrade our skills in using all the multimedias. So Upgrade India helped us to open our account in Facebook, and also settings and privacies and how to use those tools. We also learned to manage uh, how to manage ads to ad manager, and also we learned um, how to prepare our pages through Canva, using Canva, which was specially introduced by Danny Shasha, and also Parth Joshi, who conducted the whole program. So thank you very much, Upgrade India.